Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here again in our garden. I'm going to harvest some of our yellow squash or yellow summer squash. We got quite a bit, some of over there, and there's more here and right over there. Cut it up. There we go. This is what I got. What I'm going to do with this, my husband requested to make him a grilled vegetable kebabs. We got zucchini, summer squash. We also have the green bell pepper. Well, I'll show you the rest of the recipe later, how I make them. Soak the bamboo skewers in the water for half an hour. Since the glass is not tall enough, we have to flip it. So this recipe will be for the grilled vegetable kebabs. This has been washed: 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, medium size of zucchini, 2 small size of a yellow summer squash, 1 large red onion, and 10 pieces of washed white mushroom. You can use portobello as well. What I'm gonna do with this, I'm just gonna cut it and mix it all together and marinate it. Here I'm just gonna cut the ends of the mushroom just a little bit, just like that. Next, cut the end, and we're going to cut it up. Cut the other end. Cut the yellow summer squash about a 1/4 inch thick. For the zucchini, same size, cut a 1/4 inch thick. Same goes for the zucchini. For the mushroom, this small size is good, but if it's this kind of big, you can cut it in half, just like this. For the green bell pepper, cut it in half and cut in the 1/4 just like this size, and then maybe cut it in half as well, just like this size. Then you can take this out. Cut it in half. That's good. For the onion, cut it in half and cut it in half just like this, and this is good to go. To marinate the vegetables, we're going to need some seasoning: 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of dried rosemary, crush it, 1/4 teaspoon of basil, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a 1/2 size of fresh lemon juice. Squeeze it. Mix it well and let it marinate for 30 minutes. It's been marinating it for half an hour now. Mix it well before we spare it with a bamboo sticks. Get the bamboo skewer ready and spare the vegetables. It doesn't matter how you prepare them. Red onion, mushroom. The vegetable kebabs is done. We're going to grill this on a medium-high heat. The grill is hot enough. Let's grill it. Grill it for 3 minutes. 3 minutes is enough of grilling, so let's turn it over. And grill it another 3 more minutes. Another 3 minutes is done. Let's check it and flip it. We're gonna need it maybe 2 more minutes in both sides and this will be ready. 2 minutes is up and let's flip it again. Yep. Another 2 more minutes with this, then this kabobs will be done. Another 2 minutes is up. The vegetable kabobs is finally done, or you could grill it a little bit more, but this one is good enough for us. So basically it will be cooked for 5 minutes in both sides.